Hello and welcome to the program. Boy, stocks had a big ride this week. Today things were down a little bit. The Dow was down 0.42%. S&P 500 down 0.21%. The Nasdaq down 0.35%. Crude oil WTI is up 0.63% to 82.68 a barrel. And the relative strength of the dollar is, well, it went up to 101.58 and actually broke below 101 early this morning, and then about pre-market, and then about when market opened it broke over 101. So the dollar gained a little bit of strength, and the 10-year yield is up to 3.52. So let's dive right into the charts. Okay, here's the SPY. As you can see, we draw these trend lines here. It was down and going up. It broke through yesterday, really bullish candle. And today is about neutral, but it tried to go higher but got rejected. So we're still kind of, we are above that trend line. We'll have to see what happens. The blue line here is the 50-day moving average. The tan line is the 200-day moving average. So we are above the averages here. So we'll have to see, are we going to get to the 418 or actually 417.89 is the next critical level between these two white lines here. We'll have to see what happens. There's more earnings coming out, so that's going to affect things. Let's go to the QQQ. Okay, it's in this wedge. There's the orange line coming down, the orange line going up. There was a big rejection a couple of days ago, and then yesterday, big green candle. Today, even though it was down on the day, but it still shows green here because it gapped down overnight. So it opened here, closed here, and it closed here yesterday. But nevertheless, it's still in this range here, this little wedge. 50-day moving average, 200 moving day average. So we got 305 for the 50, 292 for the 200. So that'll be interesting what's going to happen with that. JP Morgan, boy, those stocks rallied big today. They came out, they beat estimate earnings. As you can see here, earnings 3.41 estimate, actual 4.1. So it had a huge gap up overnight. Look at that. Right up to the 50-day moving average at 135 and finished at 138.73. That's pretty impressive. But Bank of America, they don't put out earnings until Monday. We're actually the 18th. So that's 4 days from now. And they kind of, with sympathy, rallied with JP Morgan. So they gapped up overnight as well. It's a pretty nice move. Nvidia, 1.11% today, went up, not bad. Apple actually was down 0.21%, small down day for Apple. And Microsoft, a small 1.28%, still holding it above this trend line here. So that's interesting to see. It's above the 50-day, above the 200-day. It just had that cross where the 250 is crossed the 200-day. So that's a bullish sign. Netflix, down day, but still above these moving averages, which are good. We'd like to see that. AMD, 0.3% down, but still in a bullish. 50-day, 200 moving day average. It's holding up pretty well. Just let's see, Verizon. All right, so it's still weak. Did break out of this downtrend. Let's zoom out and see what's going on here. So it did break out of this downtrend. Is it going to hold though? We'll have to see. AT&T, 0.15% down, very small down day. And it's holding nice. It's holding above the 50-day moving average. It's pretty good. Alrighty, oil, well, let's see. Oxy was down 0.45%. Gap down overnight. Oh, no, I'm sorry, here we go. Oh no. There we go. So oil's on a downtrend below, well, it's above the 50-day, but the 50 days are below the 200-day moving average, so that doesn't look too good for oil there. And then we have BP, still holding strong. Look at that, above the 50-day, above the 200-day. And let's see, anything going on with small caps, low float stocks? PTPI, 354%. Look at that. We'll move that to a 15-minute chart, see how it looked. Wow, what a rally. From $4 up to $8. Almost $8.50. CNSP. That was a nice little rally as well. 243% increase. SAI, 222% increase. Gapped up pre-market. Right, but then when the bell rang, it kind of went up and down, and just sold off all day. So not much going on there. And here's one that's up 100%. That's NIR, and that appeared to gap up right at 3 o'clock. Nice move. So from 440 to about 6. That's nice. OBLG. Up 74%. Let's see something here. Yeah, that was a nice run. And went right to the 200-day. Testing these support levels. Let's see how that looked on a 15-minute chart. And she's still gapping up now. Wow. It's pretty impressive. Not bad. Well, there you go for today and this week. Actually, real quick, let's go over the SPY and a weekly chart. See how things look. Here's, you saw the daily charts already. Okay, daily. Let's look at a weekly chart. So there you have it. It's been a nice bullish week. That week before that was kind of neutral. Bullish week before that. So that's looking pretty, I think she's going to test this 417, 418. QQQ, weekly chart. Down from last week, but I mean, it was a little bit overbought. But that's how the weekly chart looks. I just wanted to look at that real quick. All right, we appreciate you watching the program. Please click the like button. And please subscribe. YouTube likes it. We like it. And we'll keep you posted next week. There's a lot of earnings coming out. And we're going to, we'll keep you guys posted on any big moves and anything else, any updates. Thank you for watching.